Hello there, this is Teacher Carla from Camglish.com. Today we will study the Essential Grammar in Use, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. This is the continuation of our lesson last time under Unit 54, and we are on 54.4 part of the exercises under this unit. Can you still remember how to use to and for? Very good. So let's continue with this part. Write to or for. So again, we used the word to indicate a subject or an object to an action verb of the sentence, while we used for to indicate the aim or the purpose of the sentence. Okay, so now let's start with number 1. I went out. Okay, so here you went out and then blank, get some bread. So we indicate here the action of the sentence, so we should use the word to. Okay, next one. We went to a restaurant. Blank have dinner. Okay, so here you can see that there is the restaurant and then dinner. So dinner is the verb of this sentence, so we will use the word to. Number 3, Robert wants to go to university. Blank study economics. So we can see that Robert wants to go to a university, okay, and then study economics. So here is the verb, so we should use the word to. Number 4, I'm going to London. Blank an interview next week. So you can see that there is the aim or the purpose of the sentence because of the word I'm going to London interview. Okay, so we will use the word for. Number 5, I'm going to London blank visit some friends of mine. So there is the word or the verb visit, so we should use the word to. Number 6, have you got time blank a cup of coffee? So you can see here that this is a question, but even though this is a question, you should look for the words in the sentence. Is it the words in a sentence is in the aim or purpose of the sentence, or is it about the verb that should be indicated? Okay, so you can see that there is the word or words cup of coffee. So this is the aim or the purpose. So we will use the word for. Number 7, I got up late this morning. I didn't have time blank wash. Okay, so wash is the verb, so we will use the word to. Number 8, everybody needs money blank live. Okay, so live is the verb of the sentence, and to indicate this one, we should use the word to. Okay, number 9, we didn't have any money blank a taxi, so we walked home. Okay, so you can see that there is the purpose or the aim of the sentence, so we will use the word for. Number 10, the office is very small. There's space only blank a desk and a chair. So you can see in this sentence that there is no verb, and the only word you can look or you can see at this sentence is about the aim or the purpose. So we should use the word for. And number 11, excuse me, are you waiting blank use the phone? Okay, so use is the verb, so we will use the word to. Next is no, I'm waiting blank somebody. Okay, so there is the aim that you are waiting to somebody. So we should not use the word to Instead, we should use the word for because of the rule about that. Okay, so don't forget how to use to and for. Again, we use the word to indicate a subject or an object of the action in a sentence. Okay, while we use for to indicate the purpose or the aim of the sentence. Okay, so let's go now with 54.5. Complete these sentences. Okay, choose from. So on 54.5, you will just complete the sentences here, but you should look at the words in this line so that you can complete the sentence correctly. Okay, so let's look at number 1. I can't go out yet. I'm waiting blank. Okay, so you can see that there is a purpose or an aim with this sentence. So you will just add the word for. So for John, and then phone, so to phone. Okay, so you will just add the word for and to. Next is I sat down in the cinema and waited blank. Okay, so the word cinema. So cinema is about movies or film. Okay, so you will just add the word for. So for the film to begin. Okay, number 3. We called an ambulance and waited blank. Okay, so again, this sentence have the purpose or aim. So you will just add the word for, okay, for it, and the word to arrive. Okay, so the word to indicates the verb, that which is arrive, and then, okay, so here is the aim or the purpose of the sentence. Okay, and let's go now with number 4. Do you know what to do? No, I'm waiting blank. Okay, so again, as I said, we should put the word for to indicate or to know the purpose or the aim of this sentence. So for you to tell me. Okay, so the word to and then tell. So that are the ways how to use to and for. So always review and remember the rules about that. So study hard and we will continue our lesson on the next video. Okay, so goodbye.